Я всегда проверял твою работу. Я.
A personal pronoun meaning I. Pronounced.
Я.
It's the first person singular nominative case, used as the subject of the sentence.
Всегда.
An adverb meaning always or all the time. Pronounced.
vse-gda.
It modifies the verb, indicating the consistent nature of the action.
Проверял.
The past tense masculine singular form of the verb.
Проверять.
Proverayat, meaning to check or to verify. Pronounced.
Pra-ve-ryal.
It describes the action performed by
Я.
I.
Твою.
A possessive pronoun meaning your, feminine singular. Pronounced.
tvo-yu.
It indicates that the
Работу.
work belongs to the person being addressed, a female singular.
Работу.
A noun meaning work or job. Pronounced.
Работу.
It is the accusative case feminine singular form, indicating that the work is the object of the verb.
Проверял.
Checked. Putting it together.
Я всегда проверял твою работу.
Means, I always checked your work. It indicates a consistent past action of checking someone's female work.